Today I'm going to be changing the Bank 1 Sensor 1 O2 sensor on my 2003 GMC Yukon. It's got a 5.3 liter V8 engine. And the problem we have with it is check engine light. Also, this vehicle's only got about 160,000 miles on it. Took it by AutoZone and they said that the code was P0135, which is Bank 1 Sensor 1 heater circuit malfunction. That's the driver front side. Here's the part they recommended, which is the AC Delco. There's the part number and the price at AutoZone. But we are going to try this KAX oxygen sensor that I bought on Amazon for like 20 bucks. See how it does. Alright, so I'm underneath the vehicle now on the driver's side. And this is Bank 1 Sensor 1. And this one right here would be your Bank 1 Sensor 2. So all you got to do is take a 7/8 inch wrench, undo that, and undo the clip right there. I don't know if y'all be able to hear this, but I'm gonna shake this and see if we can hear the little rattling where the heating element broke. Alright, so one of the things you can do is check the two black wires to see if there's any continuity or anything flowing through it. So just get your leads, set it on your ohm setting, find the two black wires, test them. Yep, we're not getting nothing. So here's the new one. We'll go ahead and unpack it, compare them. See what's in the packaging. Oh, we got a couple zip ties, instruction manual, and here's the O2 sensor. Alright, so they look about the same. Right there. Okay. So now I want to check the two black wires and see if we get continuity, which we should. So same thing with your ohm meter, put it on settings and let's see what we get. There we go, getting 5.3 ohms of resistance. You can also check it on this setting right here, which is diode setting, and it'll beep on you. I don't know if you can tell, but I put a little dab of anti-seize on there. It's not copper anti-seize, but I don't think it'll hurt anything. We'll see. Alright, so first thing you want to do is go ahead and screw it in and get it started. Alright, once you get that tightened down, you want to make up the electrical connection right there and button everything up. Make sure it's out of the way of everything. Alright, so just started the truck up and the check engine light's still showing on, so I think you can reset that by disconnecting the negative battery cable and giving it a few. So I'm gonna do that real quick and turn it back on. Alright, so after resetting the battery, to reset the check engine light is off, and looks like we're good to go. I'll keep an eye on it, see if it comes back on or anything, and take it for a test drive, and we'll see what happens. Alright, so I drove it for about 20 minutes, did about 12 or 14 miles. Average speed 55 miles per hour. Ended up getting 16.4 miles per gallon. No check engine light, so looks like everything was good. I may do an update on this video Of course, I'm gonna be keeping an eye on it and everything, and we'll see what happens.